So for this video ay tungkol sa SSS temporary SSS number. So no document submitted. So yung status ng account niya is temporary. So, mostly, nangyayari ito for those SSS member na online kumuha ng SSS number. So, kumuha ng SSS number through online. And then, makikita sa SSS account mo ng member information sa member details. So, nakatag siya as temporary. So, yung membership status niya ay temporary. So, application through the SSS website. So, once nakatag na temporary ang yung SSS number, so, hindi kayo makakuha ng SSS ID. So, hindi kayo makakuha ng SSS ID. And then, pag nag-apply kayo ng loan, kahit lampas na ng 36 months ang yung contribution, so once nag-apply ka ng loan, ito yung makikita. Loan application will be rejected due to the following reasons. So your SSS number tag as temporary. So please submit your supporting documents to any SSS branch for conversion SSS number from temporary to permanent. So, kailangan yung mag-submit ng supporting documents sa SSS branch. So, ano-ano ba yung mga supporting documents? So, first is, so, kailangan mong mag-fill up ng A4. So, A4. So, after mong mag-fill up ng A4, so dito nakalagay sa letter H is indicate submitted documents. So, indicate sa submitted documents, PSA and 2 valid ID. So, 2 valid ID, photocopy, and PSA photocopy. And also bring the original. Dahil not only the photocopy, dahil titingnan nila yung original na PSA mo. And then, after mong ma-fill up yung A4, yung form, so, kailangan mong i-xerox. Kasi yung isa sa SSS, then yung isa ay sa'yo. Copy mo. So, once nag-submit ka na ng documents, which is the A4 and PSA and valid IDs, so, after ma-submit, makikita mo sa account ng SSS account mo ay documentary requirements submitted at yung membership status niya ay permanent. So, permanent na yung status. So, pwede ka nang magpa-SSS ID or mag-apply ng SSS loan. So, I hope na nakatulong sa inyo itong video na to. So, by the way, pwede na pala kayo mag-send ng thanks. Kung sa Facebook ay stars, dito naman sa YouTube ay thanks. So, any amount is highly appreciated. Charot. For more videos, just visit my channel.